Welcome back, dear friends. Those who are new, welcome. Today I'll be doing some acrylic fall nails. For that I have already applied the nail tips, and now I'll start with applying clear acrylic to my thumbnail from cuticle area to the free edge, but will apply a thin base of clear acrylic on the other 3 fingernails. Then again will apply the clear acrylic on whole of my pinky nail, as on those 2 nails I'll be applying gel polish. It's better to apply a clear base first cause 1. The nail bed won't get stained if we apply some colored acrylic. Second, if I want to change the design, then I don't have to file till the nail bed. Only filing till the clear base will do. Now I am taking this pre-mixed color to do my inverted nail bed on my middle finger and will leave it to dry cause I'll be crisping the smile line with the hand file after it sets down. Now I'll go to my ring finger. I'll use these leaf flakes and gold foils for this design. I will start with applying a clear base to the whole nail bed and then will place the leaf flakes and gold foils on it, and then will encapsulate the full nail with clear acrylic. I am using red and bronze colored leaf flakes. Here I am encapsulating the nail with clear acrylic, but this time I am not taking wet beads as I have to cover the leaf flakes beneath. So I am taking normal beads of clear acrylic so that everything gets covered and I'll get a smooth surface to file. Now I am taking this custom made color. This I made with chalk and glitter. I'll be doing the full nail of my forefinger with this. Now with a 100 by 100 grit file, I am filing the smile line to crisp it up and give a neat finish. I am also using this drill bit to file the smile line. This drill bit is usually used to clean the underside of the nail and around the cuticle area, but this also helps in this type of filing also. Again, I am applying a thin layer of this color to give it a neat look. Now I am filing the thumbnail and my pinky nail with a 180 by 180 grit file. Since the acrylic application was done neatly, so I don't have to file much. Just a little filing and buffing will do. After dusting the dust away, I am cleaning my nail with a lint-free wipe and some isopropyl alcohol. Now I am taking this gel color and applying it on my thumbnail and my pinky. I am applying 2 coats of this color, curing it for 60 seconds in between. This color is so beautiful, isn't it? It is giving a very fall look. I am taking some alcohol and removing the sticky layer. Now with the same color, I am outlining the smile line and fading it a little towards the free edge. Then I am applying that custom made color from my free edge to the smile line. I won't cover the nail with this color, rather I will now put the leaf flakes on top of the color. While putting the leaves, I found that the red color leaf flakes is popping out more than the bronze one, so I interchanged them. So now it's time for encapsulating the nails with clear acrylic. I always take wet beads when I am encapsulating the nails, so I am doing the same here. While encapsulating the nails, I am using this clear acrylic to build my apex also. Now after you finished using your acrylic brush, clean it thoroughly into the leftover monomer and wipe it on a tissue paper. Always check the bristles of the brush before putting it back in its container. After checking the nails whether they are ready to get filed, I am starting the filing with a 100 and 100 grit file, first the side walls, then the free edge, then over the nails. Now I am using a fine drill bit to go tight around the cuticle area. This is to seal the acrylic with the nail bed. Otherwise, it may cause lifting. Now I have taken a 180 grit sanding band to even out all the nails. To remove the scratches that took place while filing, I am using a buffer to smoothen them up so that after applying the top coat, no scratches will be visible. Now again, after dusting the nails, I am using alcohol to clean the nails. Now I am using Venalisa's No Wipe Long Wear top coat. Apply thin layer to all the nails. Applying the top coat on the back side of the ring finger nail and the middle finger nail will enhance the clarity of the nails. This is because one is transparent and the other is translucent. After applying it, I will give it a cure for 60 seconds. Now my nails are cured, so I am applying the cuticle oil to all the fingers. This will eradicate the dryness that caused during the full procedure and will nourish the cuticle too. So this is the fall look that I have created. How did you like it? Let me know in the comments. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.